Hello and welcome to this video about AI in finance. Artificial intelligence is transforming the financial industry. From improving investment decisions to detecting fraud and automating processes. In this video, we'll explore the ways in which AI is changing the finance industry and how you can potentially profit from it. AI is being used in finance in a variety of ways. One of the most significant areas where AI is making a difference is in investment decisions. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data and use machine learning to identify patterns and make predictions about the market. This can lead to more accurate investment decisions, potentially resulting in higher returns. Another way in which AI is being used in finance is in fraud detection. AI algorithms can detect patterns of fraud and unusual behavior, allowing banks and other financial institutions to take action to prevent it. This can help protect customers and prevent losses for financial institutions. AI is also being used to automate processes in finance, such as loan approvals and underwriting. This can help speed up the process and reduce costs for financial institutions. So, how can you potentially make money using AI? One way is by investing in companies that are using AI in their operations, such as financial institutions that are using AI to improve investment decisions or detect fraud. By investing in these companies, you can potentially benefit from their growth as they continue to implement AI technology. Another way is to use AI yourself to make investment decisions. There are now AI-powered investment platforms available to the general public, such as robo-advisors. These platforms use AI algorithms to analyze your investment goals and risk tolerance and create a customized investment portfolio for you. Finally, you can also potentially make money by creating AI-powered financial products or services. For example, you could develop an AI-powered trading algorithm and sell it to other investors. Now, let's try an exercise to see how AI can be used in investment decisions. Imagine you're a portfolio manager trying to decide which stocks to invest in. You have a large amount of data available, including company financials, news articles, and market trends. How can you use AI to help you make better investment decisions? One way is to use machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and make predictions about the market. You can train the algorithm to analyze the data and make predictions about which stocks are likely to perform well based on historical trends and current market conditions. This can help you make more informed investment decisions and potentially earn higher returns.